Hi everyone, welcome to Geek Decoders YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do Power BI tutorial number 32. So which is I'm going to show you how to create a traffic light indicator in card visualization. So for KPI display. So let's go to the Power BI desktop and see how we can do this with the card visualization. And if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel for more Power BI videos. So this is the data source today I'm going to use. In here I have salesperson, item, sales value and sales date columns are there. And you can download this Excel sheet. I have mentioned the link in the description section. So let's go to the dashboard and see how we can use this to create the traffic light card visualization. Right, so first I will add the card visual to my dashboard. Right, so now as you can see there's a field that I need to add. Here I will add sales value to this. Right, so this is the total sales value. So we'll see how we can do indications by using the card visual. So how to display the traffic lights. So there are three colors that I want to display. 0 to 10,000 it's red, 10,000 to 30,000 it's yellow, and 30,000 to 50,000 it's green. So these are the values that I'm going to indicate in the card visual. Right, so now we'll see first how to change the color of this 46k value. For that, first you have to go to format, and in here go to data label, and as you can see here there's a small function that you can see. If you open this, as you can see there's a conditional formatting window is opened. So here I select rule, right? So sum of sales value, summation, that two values are correct. So if the value is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 10,000, then I should say the color is red. So I'll select the custom color here. Right, then I have to create a new rule. If the value is greater than to 10,001 and less than to 30,000, right, so then the number would be, or the color would be, I select yellow. Right, and I have to create a new rule here. Is greater than or equal to 30,001, and here if it's 50,000 less than, so then I'll select color as green. So now my conditional formatting are added. So let's see whether the value has changed. Right, so as you can see now the color came to 46,000 is displaying as green, because 30,000 and 50,000 it mentioned we have indicated it as green color. So we'll select a small data field here in order to check how to see whether our colors are getting changed. Right, okay, so I'll select few months here. I select 1 quarter. So as you can see now it came to yellow. So if it is 10,000 to 30,000, it should display yellow. So that's also fine. So then if I select again, yeah, that also fine. So I'll select a month, maybe January. So as you can see now it shows as red. So our conditional formattings are correctly working. Right, and when it's come to card visualization, same as this label, so we can change or we can add conditional formatting for background as well. So if you go here, select background, select in here, if you select the function here, so same rules or different rules that you can apply. So I'll add one rule and see to show you this functionality as well. So here I create a rule greater than 0 to let's say okay, I say 30,000, and if it is less than 50,000, then to show the color as blue. Right, so I'll say okay, and here I will select everything. As you can see now, if we select our value is greater than 30,000 and less than 50,000, so here our background value also changed. Right, so and in card visualization now we have changed the data color, background color, and as well as we can change the category color as well, that means sales value. So here I go here, so here also you can see this function is there. So if you go here, the same conditional formatting window opened. So here also I add a one rule, so I say 30,000 and 50,000. So then I say to display the value as yellow, right? So I'll say okay, right? So then as you can see the sales value, I'll increase the font size a bit, right? Sales value, the category name changes to according to our summation. So in card visualization, as you can see, we can insert or we can implement the conditional formatting for the background, data label, as well as the category. So this is how we create a traffic light indicator for card visualization, and hope you have enjoyed my video, and please share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel for more Power BI videos. Thank you.